Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, with Coinbase to enhance your account's security. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Coinbase website. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Security tab. In the Settings menu, you will see various tabs. Click on the Security tab to access your account security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security section, look for the two-factor authentication option. Click on Get Started or Enable to initiate the setup process. Step 5. Choose your 2FA method. Coinbase offers several methods for 2FA, including SMS and authentication apps. For better security, we recommend using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Select the option you prefer to proceed. Step 6. Setting up an authentication app. Recommended. If you chose an authentication app, download it from your App Store and install it on your smartphone. Open the app, and it will prompt you to scan a QR code. Step 7. Scan the QR code. Return to the Coinbase 2FA setup page, and you will see a QR code. Use your authentication app to scan the QR code. This will link your Coinbase account to the app. Step 8. Enter the verification code. Once you've scanned the QR code, your authentication app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code into the designated field on the Coinbase page to verify the setup. Step 9. Save backup codes. Coinbase will generate backup codes for you. These codes can be used to access your account if you ever lose your device. Make sure to save them in a safe place, ideally offline. Step 10. Confirm your setup. After entering the verification code and saving your backup codes, you will receive a confirmation that two-factor authentication has been successfully enabled on your account. Step 11. Test your 2FA. To ensure everything is working perfectly, log out of your Coinbase account and log back in. You should be prompted to enter a verification code from your authentication app. That's it. You have successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account. This additional layer of security will help protect your assets and personal information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video for more helpful tips.